因为针对乌克兰总统泽伦斯基，伊发声明讲，罗西亚甲乌克兰的战争要结束要真早咧。美国总统川普初三的时阵表示，这是泽伦斯基发出上歹的声明，美国袂阁吞论。过无偌久，泽伦斯基伫咧社群媒体抛文，虽然是无讲了真名，不过伊讲乌克兰需要的是安全的保障。因为白宫伫拄则已经证实，川普下令暂停乌克兰所有的军事援助，会听候乌克兰有想要讨论甲和平的意愿，才会阁恢复军事援助。
川普最三暗伫北京的一场活动，针对泽伦斯基的表态真无欢喜。伊讲，这是泽伦斯基当做的伤害声明，美国袂阁再用论。
And he better not be right about that. If somebody doesn't want to make a deal, I think that person won't be around very long. That person will not be listened to very long.
川普伫咧伊自创的社群媒体真实社群内面讲，只要有美国支持，即可就无希望迄个所在有和平。也批评伫咧英国伦敦举行的英国、法国、乌克兰三方会谈的欧洲领导人。伊讲，这可能毋是向俄罗斯示威的伟大表态，因到底是伫咧想啥？咱来听泽伦斯基迄当阵是安怎讲。
Угоди про закінчення війни ще дуже далеко.
伫川普会都回应了，泽伦斯基伫社群媒体也答文讲，要全力互乌克兰的外交有真正实质的意义，要停止战争，也要安全保障。
Ending the West's isolation of Russia. That's what Putin's interest is. He is not interested in ending the war. He thinks Russia is winning, and he thinks that as time goes on, the West will be more fractured. Clearly, we've had a major US-European break on all of this. That the European countries themselves are not united on this. So I think President Zelensky is quite right. I think the war will continue for a long time.
川普有讲伫崔世汉会有一场演讲，讲是会互大家知影真相。要若是什么代志，大家拢伫咧以为是甲乌克兰有关系。公司新闻黄文玲编辑。